without loss of generality, we are talking about the cool things about the Thai language this week. And after I moved back here, most of the communication is kind of go around like cell phones, obviously, and various chatting apps. So the language kind of changed based on the medium that people use to talk to each other. And I found that kind of fascinating. So today I'll be talking about the Thai language. So things about the Thai people. The Thai people are pretty good at talking to strangers, including talking to strangers over the internet, over various apps, over chat apps. Maybe they got your Line ID from a friend of yours and they'll chat you up. And here's how you do the small talk over these various chatting apps. Here we go. They will start with Di Kap, which is shortened form of Sawasdi Krap, which is our greetings. And there's various things that should be noted here. So D is basically shortened for Sawasdi because we use it so much that it got shortened down to just one last syllable. And what's with the krap thing? So krap in Thai is a politeness particle. In linguistics, particle means thing that you just add it to the back, that it doesn't have any meaning on its own. It has to be used with certain types of sentences. And in this case, krap is the polite particle, and it got reduced down to just kap, where rā rua is dropped. So the explanation for that is not that it's hard to type over the phone to add one more character, but actually when we talk the rā rua in Thai, it actually has a special status because we don't pronounce it very much. So sometimes it basically get dropped. So when you're growing up, the teachers always have to say, really emphasize that please pronounce the r, so that it's heard, so that we preserve that particular sound in the word. So therefore, so from Sawasdi we have D, and from Krap we have Kap. So it becomes Di Kap, and that's a very common way of greetings, especially over some sort of apps. Okay, so sometimes they got your Line ID or whatever from your friend and they forgot, what your name is. They'll just ask, "Piชื่ออะไรครับ?" So what the meaning of this is, you name what, and krap, which is the polite particle that I already told you. So P in this case sometimes got dropped, the you. And the P as a pronoun is actually quite interesting because you have to figure out your age and their age. So if you think that they are older than you, you can call them P as the second person pronoun. So this is another layer of pronoun system in Thai that people have to get used to. So sometimes you see someone for the first time, you have to figure out whether they're older than you or they're younger than you. Or you can guess P all the time just to give them the respect that they might be older than you. And Rai usually means what, what as in the question word what. And it comes from Arai, which got shortened to Rai because these function words seem to get shortened so much because we use it a lot. And as usual, Rā rua sometimes just get really, really rounded down to just Rai. So you don't even try to roll the R, the R anymore. So once they know what your name is, they'll of course ask what you're up to or what's up. ทำไรอยู่ครับ ทำไรอยู่ครับ which to direct translation would be do what ครับ. Alright, let's dissect that a little bit. So the full thing would be พี่ ทำอะไรอยู่ครับ or น้อง ทำอะไรอยู่ครับ depends on your age. ทำ means to do, and ไร is the shortened form of arai, which means what, as in the question word what, and kap is a polite particle. So you also note that the pronoun is dropped because the Thai language is also regarded as a pro-drop language, which means pronouns are usually dropped in certain ways. You cannot drop them all the time, by the way. It's only dropped in certain ways based on the pragmatics or what the grammar allow you. You, in this case, is an aspect marker in linguistics. It indicates that the event is still going on. The event that introduced by the verb tam, that means to do, like what are you doing. But in Thai, we don't have that kind of tense system where you change the form of the verb or you have other auxiliary like is or are to come help you out to indicate the aspect of the event. So you, that's the aspect marker that you put at the end of the verb cluster thing, so that you indicate that the thing is still going on. So in sum, it means what are you doing? So instead of saying คุณทำอะไรอยู่ครับ which is the actual grammatical kind of sentence, you just say ทำอะไรอยู่ครับ. So there you have it. So if you want to sound more like a Thai person, you should think about pronoun dropping and using particle correctly, and the rest is a breeze. So John, I'll see you next week.